Chances are, if you're watching this video, you've already heard about WordPress. But what exactly is WordPress? Simply put, WordPress is web software you can use to create your own website or blog. Since it was first released in 2003, WordPress has become one of the most popular web publishing platforms, and today it powers more than 60 million websites. But what many people don't realize is that WordPress is not just a blogging tool. It's also a highly flexible content management system, or CMS, that enables you to build and manage your own full-featured website using just your web browser. Best of all, it's completely free. That's because WordPress is an open-source project, which means that hundreds of volunteers from around the world are constantly creating and improving the code for the WordPress software. And there are thousands of plugins, widgets, and themes that enable you to build a completely custom website for just about anything you can imagine. So, how does it work? Well, in the early days of the internet, websites were created by highly skilled web designers and developers using HTML, a programming language that contains complex instructions called tags to format text, add tables and images, and so on. Your web browser then reads this HTML code, interpreting those tags to render and display the content of that particular page. These days, you can install the WordPress software script on your own web server in about 5 minutes, and once installed, it enables you to use a simple web-based editor to create web pages without having to learn HTML. There's even a free service called wordpress.com that allows you to build a new WordPress-powered website in just a few seconds. And because it's built on industry-standard PHP and MySQL, WordPress can run on just about any modern web server. There are several reasons WordPress is a great choice for building your blog or small business website. First of all, it's open source, which also means that it's free. And with hundreds of people all over the world working on it, WordPress is constantly evolving and improving. Second, it's user-friendly. Rather than having to hire a web designer or a webmaster every time you want to make a small change to your website, you can easily manage and update your own content, all without having to learn HTML. In fact, if you know how to use the basic formatting tools in a program like Microsoft Word, you can edit your site. Third, it's flexible and extensible. There are literally thousands of plugins and themes, both commercial and free, that enable you to easily change the entire look of your website or even add new features like polls or contact forms with just a few clicks. Next, if you run into problems or you want to add some highly customized features, it's easy to find support or hire someone to help you. In addition to the tutorials on this site, there are also thousands of WordPress developers and designers who can help you. The official WordPress forum is a great place to get answers to your questions. But there are other sites like the WordPress Stack Exchange or wpquestions.com, where you can also find answers to all your WordPress questions. Right out of the box, WordPress is also SEO friendly and standards compliant. It includes everything you need to ensure your content is optimized for search engines, which is critical to your site's visibility and online success. In short, WordPress is made to do SEO well. And last, you'll be in control of your own content. Some other proprietary solutions like Blogger or Tumblr limit what you can and can't do on your own website. And you're locked into that service. If it should ever shut down, your content could simply disappear. With WordPress, you can easily import your data from other systems like Blogger, and you can also export your data to move away from WordPress should you choose. You're in control of your site and your content. So if you're looking for an easy tool that will help you to build your own blog or website without learning complicated HTML, no other system makes it this easy. And you'll find that WordPress is incredibly flexible with thousands of themes, plugins, and support options to ensure that your site will continue to grow with you in the future. We trust this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing what you're able to build with WordPress.